Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to measure the resistance. First we should know the parts of multimeter or tester. Let's go. Guys, this is the parts of the multimeter or tester. First, this is the needle, and then this is the scale, and then this is the dial or infinity knob. If the needle not at a point of 0, you should adjust the dial or infinity knob, and then 0 ohms adjuster. If the example, if the needle here not at a point of 0 here, you should adjust here the 0 ohm adjuster in order to at a point at 0 like that. And then this is the range, and then the range selector. It is a resistor, the ACV, the DCV, and then the DC milliamperes. And then this is the negative probe, and this is the positive probe. That's all the parts of the multimeter. Now it is measure the resistance. How to measure the resistance? So first we need to know the color of our resistance. So the color of our resistance is brown, gray, brown, then gold. And then first we should know the color. Calculate the color. We should calculate the color. I use resistance calculator. So here the first is brown is 1, then gray is 8, then brown is 1, and then gold. So the total of our resistance is 180 ohms plus minus 5%. We should calculate the 5% in order to know the resistance is damaged or good in condition. So to calculate this, you need a calculator on. So our total resistance is 180 ohms. 180 times 0.5% is 90. So 180 plus 90 is 270. It should 270. It's not more than 270 and not less than 80 minus 90 and not less than 90, because it is less than or more than our resistor are not good in condition or damage. So here then so 180, we'll know our resistor is 180. Let's the range into 100 because we'll know the resistor already. So our range selector is to 100, so that so let's have a testing if our multimeter or tester are not damaged. Okay, it's good. So if the needle not in 0, we should adjust the 0 ohms adjuster in order to point at a 0. So let's have now measure our resistance. What are the measure of our resistance? So it is so now wait, okay, let's what is to measure. So it is 1.9 because not into, so it is 1.9 times 100, it is 190. So our measurement of resistor is 190. So our resistor is not damaged. So that's all for procedure how to measure resistance, and I hope you have a knowledge how to measure the resistance and to know it is damaged or not. And that's all. Goodbye and God bless.